Welcome back. In today's exciting video, I will be talking about why you should upgrade your outdated and delisted Shopify theme to latest modern OS 2.0 theme. Without further ado, let's dive in. So here I have listed the top five reasons why you should consider this upgrade. And there are so many different reasons, right? But I have listed the top five reasons why you should consider this upgrade, and I will talk about those points one by one. So the first point is future-proof your store. So with OS 2.0, you can avail and utilize all the new features and all the new functions launched on Shopify, including the apps. For example, if a new app is rolled out or a new feature comes in, you can utilize that with the OS 2.0 theme. But earlier, if you're using let's say, if you're still using the outdated theme kind of debut or Brooklyn or some other themes, and in that case, you can not utilize those themes. And I will quickly go to the Shopify website and will show you if you can find the OS 2.0 theme there. So I am on the themes.shopify.com, and there, if I go to all themes to see what all themes listed over there, then you can see there are 142 themes there, right? But none of them are like the previous version, the debut theme or Brooklyn theme. All themes are based on OS 2.0 structure. You will not find your previous themes kind of Brooklyn, debut, or simple themes. Even you can filter it on the free, and I will show you what all themes I can see over here. So these are the official themes from Shopify now. And Shopify has sent multiple emails to their merchants to upgrade their theme. Now we'll go to the second point, which is very important, and this is about advanced customization. With OS 2.0, you get the advanced customization, advanced control on the pages and the section of the theme. So for example, if you want to create a unique page or layout for one product page or one, let's say, contact us page, about us page, you can easily do that in the new OS 2.0 theme. But what was happening earlier is you cannot edit the page as easy as like what is happening right now. So what was happening earlier is you have to create a separate template or hire a developer to create a template for you, and then you can add the content in that. Apart from that, there are so many different new sections introduced from Shopify, and you can use those sections in the new themes. And I will show you the example. Third point is mobile responsive. So the new theme is mobile responsive. All the new theme based on the OS 2.0 structure is mobile responsive. Though, as you know, like most of the users use mobile to purchase the products on the website. So it is very important to make your website mobile responsive. And most of the themes, I would say 90 to 95% of the themes are mobile responsive. That is based on the OS2 structure. And I will quickly show you one example of the theme that we have designed, the website. And if I show you how it looks on the mobile, all right. So I'm trying to show you the mobile version. So this is how it looks on the, I will refresh this for you. So yeah, you can see I'm seeing this website on iPhone 12 Pro, and this is how it looks. You can see the menu, the placement of the logo, everything. I mean, all the sections. Now I will go to the next point. The fourth and very important point is improved loading speed. So with OS 2.0, you get better speed, better score on SEO, and let's say if the website takes 3 seconds or 4 seconds, which is based on previous themes, previous version, then in the new version it will load maybe around 1 to 2 seconds. So that is a huge difference between the previous theme and the new themes. And because of this, we will have more conversion, better user experience, and the better ranking on Google. Now, the last point is streamed checkout process. So with the new OS 2.0 theme, you get more control on the checkout process. You can customize the page of checkout, and even you can use the one page checkout. You can create one page checkout instead of having the four different steps to make the purchase. So user can see all the information, including the credit card, debit card payment information, shipping information, and all the other information in one page. And apart from that, you can also make some changes on the checkout page. But in the previous version, you cannot edit the checkout page as easy as the current version. All right. So these are the five top reasons. Apart from that, there are some other reasons why should consider this upgrade. One of the, like I would say, the uh, most common reason is the meta field. So with the new OS 2.0, you get a new function called meta field, and that is the native feature from Shopify. What it does is you can create some new meta fields. For example, if you're selling the clothes, garments, let's say any addresses, so you can create specification for the fabric. For example, you can create a meta field for the fabric color, and you can use that on the product page or the different collection pages, and you can change that dynamically. So that would not going to be static for all the pages. You can have the different content for one page and different content for the second page. Apart from that, you have the filter option, better filter option on the collection pages with the OS 2.0 theme. And you can read more about on their blog of Shopify. Now I will show you the two different view of the same website, how it looks on the previous version and how it looks on the new OS 2.0 version. I will show you in the desktop. All right, so this is how it looks on the new OS 2.0 theme. And I forgot to show you the speed of this website. So if you go to the Google page Speed Insight, and if you search this website globalsupply.shop, you will see the website performance is 95, which is very good, I would say. And this is on desktop, and on the mobile it could be lesser, so it is 63, which is again more than 50. But in the previous version, the speed was used to between, I would say, 40 to 50, sometimes 30 if you're using too many apps. So yeah, I was on this page. So this was the previous view, the previous layout and design of the website, Global Supplies, which is one of my clients, and we designed the website for him. And yeah, this is how it looks. So I will scroll it down from top to bottom and will show you the difference between the two websites. Now I will go to the new version, and this is how it looks now. So what you found over here, there are too many different new sections introduced, right? And apart from that, the overall aesthetic, the look and feel look much better than what it was. And now I will show you the difference one by one. So if I start from the top, the announcement bar is kind of, it shows like this way. And with the new theme, you can have the multiple informations over here. You can have the different messages showing one by one. And if I go to the next point, is it is between the headers, so you can see the spaces in the left, right, on top and bottom. So it is not proper, and even you cannot customize that in the previous theme. It is static, but with the new theme, you have the better header design, right? In the right side, this is the cart icon, the login icon, the search icon, and now if you like notice the header and this sliders. So this is how it looks. There is no CTA button, although you can add the CTA button in the previous theme as well, but this would not look good, and the height is kind of limited. So with the new theme, what we did is we have added a new banner and increase the height, and it covers, I would say, 75% or 80% of the screen with a CTA button, so people can go to the collection page of the soft furniture and then they can see all the listed products there. I will scroll down, and so this is how it looks on the previous theme, the featured collections. You can find the different products of this collection, and you can see how it looks in the previous version. The dimensions are not uniform, right? But with the new theme, you can see the difference. So here you will like you can find the all the images are in the same dimension. So there is no up and down kind of like different sizes. And this is a simple section, image with text, and again you can see the space in the left side, right side. So it is not responsive and it is not designed properly. And what we did for this section is we created a new image, the section, and we uh, designed it like this way. And this is the bottom section with the simple image. And with that, what we did is we created a new banner again and added a CT button. Having a CT button is very important. Just showing the image without any CT button, I would say we can lose the clicks. So it is very important to get the users from the banner or the section to the relevant page. And this is why the CT button is very important. And now this is the bottom part, the footer, and you can find there was no policy pages listed over here, and there are no sections of the different footer. But what we did is we audited this, and I think these links are very important if you apply for Google Merchant or if you're using Google Merchant, and even that is very important for customer perspective. So they can see the privacy policy, refund policy, and all the different policies, contact information, and they can also contact you if you have the link in the bottom. And this section is very important according to me for SEO. You can write the brand proposition about us with some important keywords for SEO. So yeah, these are the main difference. These were the main difference, and now I will show you some new sections that we added. So this section you will not find in the previous theme. We added that the text box in the left side, and there are three different images dedicated for the collection pages, and we added that underneath of the hero banner. This is again a scrolling kind of like messages that slides one by one. We can rewrite these messages, but this is based on the request we received from the merchant, from the store owner. He wants to have the message like this way. Uh, we showed you this, and this is how the new. So again, you will not find this section in the previous debut theme, the CT button and the like text like this way. This is the collection uh, section. You can have the different collection section over here, and you can scroll it left to right, you can slide it right, and to see all the different products. And you can also add new sections. So this is very easy to add any section on any collection on the home page. That for example, you have 5 or 10 different products which are your best sellers. You can list it on the home page in order to generate the more sales, right? I talked about this. And again, this section is for the collection. If you have, let's say, 5 different collection, you can create new tabs for that and list the different products under this collection. And with this, you can show the different collection in the same space, in the same section by just clicking on the different tabs. This section is, I would say, very, very important when we like answers the question of the buyer. If they have some question or doubt, whether this website is like how soon they will ship the product, the returns is possible or not. So we can answer the questions and of coming from the buyers. For example, we are offering fast shipping, fast returns, secure payment, 24 into 7 support. So this section answer the questions and like handle the objections of the buyers, and which is very important for the if we talk about the conversions. And this is the social proof to show the new buyers or even any of the buyers to see how many users like the website, how many of them purchase it. Having those social proof like this with the comments and the image of the new buyer is very important, and yeah, that creates trust and the social proof for the buyers. uh, this section is for the subscribe to newsletter. So if I'm interested or to share my email to receive some new email updates or any kind of like let's say new product launches kind of thing, so I can share my email over here, and the store owner will can send the email. Store owner can send the emails for the promotions for the new products. So this is very, I would say, very good option to share the updates and get some sales with the email marketing tools. And I talked about this section. So you can find the difference how good this design is, and with this new layout and design, you can expect a great user experience, better conversion. So let's say if you are having a conversion rate between let's say 2 to 3% in the previous theme, you can double that with the new design. So these are the points I talked about, and yeah, that wraps up the case study dedicated to like the advantages, what the new theme can do for you and what the new design can do for you in terms of the user experience and the conversion. Thank you so much for watching this. Feel free to leave your comment below and share your feedback. Thank you so much.